So you'd like to have a go at soft washing. You might be in the business already, or this might be a new venture. In this short little video, I'm going to address one of the most common questions we get asked, and that is, what's the simplest and easiest, cheapest way to have a go at soft washing? And something which can be useful in a way you can actually make some money is to get a setup like this here behind me, and I'm going to show you and walk you through that there today. So what we have here is what's called an electric backpack. It's called a backpack, but we do not recommend anybody puts them on the back. Okay, there have been a few cases in the past where people have used these and they've leaked down the back, down here. They put them onto their back, it's leaked through the clothing, and they've had burns. So no, it's called a backpack, but don't put it on your back. Okay, it's very heavy as well. This holds 20 litres. So imagine 20 litres plus there's a battery and an electric motor in there. You could end up with 25-30 kgs on your back. It's just not practical. But the main purpose of this is you'd take it to the site, to your job site, set it up, and then you'd have a whip hose like this. You'd attach it to the supplied hose, and that gives you a nice radius of work area, which you can do with a small batch mix of chemical. So back to the backpack. It's an electric backpack. It's 12 volts. There's a 12 volt lead acid battery in there. You charge it by plugging in your charger and turn it on. That's it. That's it, ready to go. Batch mix your soft wash mix. Make sure your backpack's fully charged. Turn it on and start spraying or brushing. When you're batch mixing like this, every litre is critical. You don't want to be wasting any. So this is why we fit what's called a double shut-off coupling, or non-drip coupling. And these work, there's nothing coming out of that. You turn the pump on, and if you just hear it, it will cycle every now and again. That's the pressure switch kicking in and out. So it's just keeping up the pressure. But nothing will come out of this until you plug it into something. So you plug it in. Now that trigger is live. Unplug it, nothing will come out. So that's it. So plug that in, and we can start spraying. Okay, and that's it. Very, very useful for small jobs. Very useful for large samples, for treating slate roofs. The most simplest way to treat a roof would be to use something like this, which is a phantom carbon pole. Nozzle on the top. Extend out your pole section. Start spraying your roof, and away you go. Obviously, you prepare the roof first by scraping. That's it. The way to control the flow with a pole like this is what we have is one of our sliding pole valves. So the sliding pole valve is exactly what it says on the tin, really. Slides up and down the pole like that, and it gives you a means to turn on and off the flow of chemical. Not essential, you can just turn off the pump, but you see, you turn it on like that. Plug in the machine, of course. So that just plugs into there, and away you go. And you can see, even going through this length, 30 feet of 5mm hose, the flow rate is still pretty good, and especially for the likes of slate roofs. It gets you going, gets you earning money. And of course, quite easy to add on a brush attachment. This is the Viking transport brush. We supply these, and they've got two pencil jets, which we find are handy because they don't clog, especially on roofs and render. You know, the fan jets get clogged up, so that's why we use the pencil jets. They're easy to clean out. We've also got the chemical resistant T-pieces, so yeah, we've not managed to break one of these yet. Standard T-pieces will wear out in time. So that goes like that, and you can start using your brush. I'm going to turn it down quite a bit, and then turn on the valve. Now there you go. There you go. And off. The beauty of the pole valve is, you might have seen in one of our other videos, is that you can use it in this position here when the pole is fully extended. And the weight of the pole valve actually helps balance the pole, which is really, really useful. And then when you have it down lower, you can bring it right up to the top here. And again, it helps the balance, gets the centre of gravity right in close, which is nice. It might not be the most efficient means of soft washing, but it's certainly one of the most economical to get you going. And of course, with the non-drip couplings, it's certainly very safe, and you can get the most out of your mix using these. So I hope that's been of value to you. If it has, then please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you'll get notified every time we make more videos like this. If you're a customer of ours, thank you so much for your orders. Thanks for your time, thanks for your attention, and hopefully you'll see me in my next video. Cheerio.